Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Prachi and today we are going to unbox custom diamond painting from Art Dot. I had ordered this from Amazon and it took me about 17 days to be delivered from the date of purchase. And I have ordered this in 40 by 50 centimeters and it's a square drill diamond painting. So let's unbox and see what's in there. I will put up the link for this in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, please go ahead and take a look at it. So how is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing good. Wow, this looks to me a poured glue canvas. We'll take a look at it in some time. These are the drills. I'll keep them aside for now. Looks like we have a very basic toolkit with a pink wax, green boat and a pink pen. That's it. There are no extra items like multiplacers or tweezers. At least they should have included tweezers since this is a square drill diamond painting. Anyway, let's take a look at the canvas now. I think there's a foam roller in this, so let me just take the foam roller out. Now I'm going to roll the canvas other way and get it flattened. Beautiful. This is the image of my daughter on the beach. Now let's take a look at the details on the canvas. They have a branding on the top with their company name Art Dot. And here is the image of my daughter. I can put up the image somewhere on the screen. This is the schematics and it has 25 colors. I love the way it is printed on the canvas. It looks pretty clear, but I'm more interested on how it will turn out once I diamond paint. Okay, so we have the schematics at the top right and the bottom left corners. Now let's take a look at the drill area. The drill area looks nice and clear. The symbols are pretty clear. This is a poured glue canvas. You can tell it by the clear plastic on it. If there is an opaque cover, it would have been a double-sided adhesive canvas. Let me just measure the canvas now. So it is 50 centimeters and this is 40 centimeters. So it is true to size since I had ordered 40 by 50 centimeters. Let's take a look at the back of the canvas. Back of the canvas looks nice and clean with no creases. Since it's a poured glue, there are less chances of having creases on the canvas. Let's take a look at the drills. The drills have come in separate bags. It's a square drill diamond painting and the drills look to me they are nice. They are of the nice quality. I cannot see any trash in them. Let's see if we have any darker color drills, since these drills are the ones that tend to have trash in them. So this looks good to me. and will know more when I work on the diamond painting. So these are the overall colors that we have. They look beautiful. I found one thing that is missing in this kit, that was an inventory sheet. They should have included one along with the kit. So just to summarize, we have the canvas, the drills, and a basic toolkit. Overall, I like the canvas and I like the way the image has been printed on the canvas. That's it for today. If you have any questions, concerns, please put them down in the comment section below and I'll get back as soon as possible. Also, if you have enjoyed watching the video, please consider giving thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for joining. See you soon. Bye bye.